Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most unique products. Today, we're diving into something that combines creativity, fun, and functionality: the best coffee diamond painting coaster kit. If you're looking for a fun DIY project that adds a personal touch to your home or makes the perfect gift, this is the product you've been searching for. The cupmod coffee diamond painting coaster kit includes everything you need to create 8 beautiful coasters with a coffee theme. Each kit comes with 8 diamond painting coasters, 8 stickable cork bases, a set of colored diamonds, a coaster holder, a pen, clay glue, a diamond painting tray, and even an extra gift of 10 to 30% extra diamonds to ensure you've got enough to complete your masterpiece. Everything is thoughtfully packaged, including self-sealing bags, making sure you've got all the tools to bring your designs to life. What makes this product truly stand out is its premium material. The coasters are made from durable wood with clear, easy-to-follow patterns. The numbers and designs are neatly printed so that you can easily match each diamond with its designated spot on the coaster. The diamonds stick firmly to the coaster's surface, ensuring they won't fall off, giving you a long-lasting creation to enjoy or give as a gift. Whether you're new to diamond painting or an experienced crafter, this kit is designed to be beginner-friendly. Simply pour the diamonds into the tray, peel off the film covering the coaster, and start placing the diamonds according to the numbers. Once completed, attach the cork base to the back of the coaster, and there you have it, your own sparkling, personalized diamond art coasters. These coasters aren't just a creative outlet, they also make for fantastic gifts. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just a thoughtful surprise, these coasters are a unique and meaningful way to show someone you care. And with the included holder, you can easily store or display your creations at home, on the office desk, or even in your car. So, if you're looking for a fun, relaxing way to get creative and make something beautiful, the cupmod coffee diamond painting coaster kit is your perfect match. It's the ideal mix of relaxation and creativity that lets you make something useful and stunning. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next product review.